Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted WhatsApp message by using your phone and the shocking reality. Could you really recover your WhatsApp deleted message? I will show you all the way and all the truth. I will reveal it. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 kinds of easiest process for recovering your deleted WhatsApp message. So let's see how to do that. So the first way will be just go to My Files and then click here Internal Storage. Then if you have Samsung phone, then maybe you have seen these types of interface. So just click here Essential, then click All, and after that click here Android, then Media, then in the last com.whatsapp, then again WhatsApp, then Database, and just hold the files for a few seconds, then click here More option and click here Rename. And if you rename this folder, and maybe you have thought that you can recover your deleted WhatsApp message, right? Actually, that's not true. You couldn't recover your deleted WhatsApp message by this renaming system, okay? So this is the shocking reality. First reality, okay? So let me show you the second process. And the second process will be the same. Just again go to My Files and maybe just click here Database, and maybe you have seen that. Just copy these files and maybe just click here Backups, and if you backup it in here, maybe you can recover your deleted WhatsApp chats. Maybe you have think about it, right? But that's not true. You couldn't recover your deleted WhatsApp chats by copying something in backup folder. So this is the shocking reality number 2. So let's go for the third one. And the third one, maybe you have seen, just go to your Google Drive, and after that click here 3-dot line, then click here Backup, and they asked you, you have seen that they asked you for deleting your this WhatsApp backups, right? And after that, they have showed you just delete your original WhatsApp and reinstall it, and maybe you can recover your deleted WhatsApp chats through this system, right? Actually, you couldn't recover your deleted WhatsApp chats by this system. And if you did it, you lost everything. Your all documents will be gone and you cannot recover it. Actually, there is no recovery system in WhatsApp. And if it has, the WhatsApp company will release this system for us, right? So do not try it. And if you try it, you have lost everything. So that's it, guys. So this is the shocking reality. So thank you so much for watching this video.